How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, few products that I wanted to show you. Valentine's Day, so I gave me some presents on Valentine's Day just because. You guys know that I have like a lot of products on detailing to clean the vehicles, keep them looking good, and this is the bag that I use for them. And this is just part of it. This is kind of like the essentials: foam applicators for the tires, foam pad applicators, brushes. I have towels. Most of this is chemical, guys. And for the last, I would say 6 days, I've been really sick. I haven't been able to upload anything. It's been a lot of people that have been asking me stuff. I didn't get to you guys on time, so I apologize. I've been really sick. I'm just getting better right now. So because it was Valentine's Day, I ordered this for myself. Let me show you what it is. I was going through my Instagram like a week ago, or maybe more, and I saw that chemical guys, they were doing a red trunk organizer special for Valentine's Day. Came with stickers. The special edition red trunk organizer, which it looks really good. I really like it. Microfiber towel, spray wax. This one is lighting fast. Fresh cut grass. Some citrus wash clear. And this one is for floor mats. Nice. So I think it was a good special, $49 plus shipping for this organizer. I know that I have a big one and I have all the essentials in here, but this one is gonna come in handy when I don't wanna have this one, the big one on my car, just carrying that one. So I'm really excited about this one. I haven't opened it. I have it for more than a week. Uh, like I said, I was really sick. Didn't feel like doing anything. But finally, I'm feeling a lot better. Let me see this thing because when I saw the black one, I thought it was really small. I didn't pay a lot of attention to it. But now that I saw this red one, and for the price, I don't think it's really bad. Yeah, you have a lot of space in here to put stuff, brushes, all your cleaning supplies. Let me see in here. I like it. One thing that I really want to say the chemical guys is really good at it is marketing. They know how to sell stuff, guys. I'm gonna keep that to them because they do know how to sell. Let me see. It's pretty good. Some people don't like chemical guys, but you know, some people don't like anything, so I really don't care. I do like this stuff. I don't know what you guys think, but this is me right here. So let me put some of the new stuff in here, and probably I'm gonna keep it in the car. Obviously I want to take it home at night because you never know. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 products, towels, foam. I have some applicators in here. I think I can put some other stuff in there, but that's gonna be looking good on my trunk. A lot of people don't like the fact that they have overlapping products, like a lot of them. A lot of stuff is pretty much the same thing. They just put different bottle to sell the same products. That's what people say. That's what a lot of people think, but hey, it doesn't matter. Tell me what you guys think about the new Chemical Guys trunk organizer. I think it's a really good way to sell. They know how to do it. I'm gonna clean my truck now. You don't have to see that. You see that a million times. I'm gonna leave you with this one. I hope you like my new episode. Sorry guys, I haven't posted any heavy or very difficult videos lately. Been really sick, but I'm gonna start getting at it. I'm going back to normal, And if you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.